Welcome to the channel, how to get ancient civilization core in Palworld. Ancient civilization core is a rare and valuable material essential for creating advanced equipment and structures such as ability glass, electric, egg incubator, ultra shield and advanced shield. To get the ancient civilization core, you will have to defeat any raid boss such as bellanoir, libero, blazamut or xenolord. They drop ancient civilization core. I have a slab to summon bellanoir libero. I will deposit this slab in summoning altar and I will summon the pal. Now we'll have to defeat it. And there you go. As it died, it gave bellanoir libero ultra slab and 2 ancient civilization cores. If you found this guide helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.